Factorize completely. AC negative 2bc negative a squared plus 4b squared. Now let's go ahead and write down the polynomial expression we are given. So we have AC negative 2bc negative a squared plus 4b squared. Now what you have here can also be written as, so we have AC negative 2bc, then you have 4b squared negative a squared. So I could just write 4b here, so you have 4b squared negative a squared. So I've not done anything, I only changed the position of 4b and a squared. Now to carry out this operation, you recall something we call the difference of two squares. So the difference of two squares. Now what that says, it says if you have a squared negative b squared, now this could be written as a negative b and a plus b. Now you can confirm, when you multiply a negative b by a plus b, you'd obtain a squared negative b squared. Now what I have here is 4b squared negative a squared. Anyway, the reason why it's called difference of two squares is because you have a square, this is a squared, and then you also have b squared, so this is also another square. So the difference of two squares, you obtain something simpler. So what I have here is you have 4b squared negative a squared. Now 4b squared can be written as 2b all squared, because 2 squared is 4 and b squared is still b squared, then negative a squared. So according to the difference of two squares that we have here, it says that this could be factorized as the first minus the second times the first plus the second. So the first, that is 2b, minus the second, which is a, times the first plus the second, that is 2b plus a. So I'm going to write this in place of 4b squared negative a squared. So what I have here is you have AC negative 2bc. So instead of writing 4b squared negative a squared, I'm going to write the new expression I have here. So what I have here is 2b negative a times 2b plus a. So this is what I have. Now the next thing again you'd observe is that in the two terms you have here, c is common. You have a c here, you have a c here. So I could just highlight that out. You have c here, you have c here. So you could factor out c. So you now have c, so leaving a negative 2b, a negative 2b, then plus, so you have 2b negative a, then you have 2b plus a. Also, we need to lay credence to something here. Now what you observe here is you have a negative 2b, but you have 2b negative a, you have 2b plus a. So they don't seem to have anything in common at first sight. Now what you need to do is, I'm going to rewrite 2b negative a in a form such that I can factorize the two terms. So what I have here is you have 2b negative a, and this could be written as negative a plus 2b. I just changed the position of a and 2b, so I've not done anything. Now I could factor out negative 1, as if I bring the negative sign out. So you have a here, but the sign here changes to negative sign, negative 2b. So in other words, 2b negative a can be written as negative multiplied by a negative 2b. You can confirm that this is the same thing as this. So let's go ahead and simplify further. So what I have here is c into a negative 2b, then plus, now the 2b negative a could now be written as this. So we'll now have negative into a negative 2b, and then we write this. So we have 2b plus a. Now when you look at these two expressions, the two terms of this equation here, you'd observe you have a negative 2b and then you also have a negative 2b. So I can factor out a negative 2b out. So what we'll obtain is going to be a negative 2b, and then now we'll be left with c. So we're left with c, then plus times minus is just going to be negative, and then you have 2b plus a. So which is what you have here. So and then this is just going to give you, so this equals, so let's just write this as a negative 2b, and it's going to be c. So we could expand this bracket here. So you have negative times 2b, that's going to be negative 2b, and negative times plus a is going to give you negative a. So this is your solution. You could also write this as a negative 2b, and you have c. So you could just change the position of a and position of 2b as negative a, negative 2b. So anyway, this is the solution of this problem. So let's go ahead and check if our answer is here. So you have a negative 2b, you have a negative 2b here. So you have c negative a negative 2b. So you have c negative a negative 2b. So this is our solution.